Where are you planning the picnic?
We're planning it at the lake, just by the lake.
What day are you going for the picnic?
We're going this Saturday, just Saturday.
Who are you inviting to the picnic?
I'm inviting my cousins and a few friends, just family and friends.
What time will the picnic start?
We'll start around 11 in the morning, about 11.
How are you getting to the picnic spot?
We're driving there in 2 cars, just taking the car.
What are you bringing for food?
I'm bringing sandwiches and juice, just the basics.
What's your favorite picnic food?
I love cold pasta salad, that's my favorite.
What are you packing to drink?
We're taking lemonade and water, just those.
What games are you planning to play?
We're bringing cards and a frisbee, nothing too crazy.
What's the weather forecast for the picnic day?
It's supposed to be sunny and warm, perfect weather.
Where will everyone sit during the picnic?
We'll sit on blankets and foldable chairs, mostly on blankets.
What kind of snacks are you taking?
Chips, cookies, and some fruit, simple snacks.
What time will you leave the house?
We'll leave around 9 a.m., early morning.
Who's in charge of the food?
My sister and I are handling the food. We're on it.
What's the best thing about a picnic?
Relaxing outdoors with good company. That's the best.
Where are you buying the picnic supplies?
From the supermarket near home. It's close by.
What kind of blanket are you bringing?
A big red checkered one, soft and comfy.
What kind of basket are you using?
We have a large picnic basket. It fits everything.
What fruits are you taking?
We're bringing apples, grapes, and bananas. Just those.
What kind of music are you planning to play?
Something chill and relaxing. Just background music.
What do you need to keep the drinks cold?
We'll use a cooler with ice packs. Just a small one.
Who's bringing the utensils?
My brother is bringing plates and forks. He's in charge.
What time will the picnic end?
Probably around sunset, by evening.
What do you do if it rains?
We'll move it to the porch or reschedule. We'll adjust.
What are you doing for dessert?
We're bringing cupcakes and brownies. Everyone loves them.
What's the plan for cleanup?
We'll bring trash bags and clean as we go. Simple plan.
What do you need to stay comfortable?
Just sunscreen, bug spray, and a hat. That's enough.
What's your role in the picnic planning?
I'm in charge of organizing everything. I'm the planner.
What's the hardest part of planning a picnic?
Making sure nothing is forgotten. That's tricky.
What kind of sandwiches are you making?
Turkey and cheese plus veggie options. A little variety.
What kind of drinks do the kids like?
They love juice boxes. Easy to pack.
What are you doing for fun activities?
We'll play games and go on a short walk. Something light.
What's your favorite picnic memory?
Last summer's picnic by the beach, it was perfect.
What do you wear to a picnic?
I wear shorts and a t-shirt. Something comfy.
What shoes do you usually wear?
Sandals or sneakers. Depends on the grass.
Where are you getting the ice for the cooler?
We'll grab it from the gas station. On the way.
Who's in charge of directions?
My friend is using GPS. He knows the way.
What's the plan for transportation?
We're carpooling. Save space.
What do you use for shade?
We're taking a big umbrella, just in case.
What kind of music speaker are you bringing?
A small Bluetooth speaker, loud enough.
What time do you want everyone to arrive?
By 11:30 latest, so we can eat on time.
What kind of juice are you packing?
Orange and apple. Simple choices.
What's your backup plan for food?
We'll stop for takeout if needed, just in case.
What are you doing with leftovers?
We'll pack them up and take them home. No waste.
What's the location like?
It's grassy with some trees and shade. Really nice.
Who's taking care of the drinks?
That's my friend's job. He's got it.
What are you using to carry everything?
Coolers, bags, and the basket. A bit of everything.
What kind of salad are you making?
A simple pasta salad with veggies, easy to make.
What's something people often forget at picnics?
Napkins in trash bags, every time.
What kind of games are good for a picnic?
Frisbee, card games, and charades, easy ones.
What's your favorite picnic treat?
Chocolate chip cookies, always a hit.
What are the kids gonna do?
They'll run around and play games. They'll be fine.
What kind of sun protection are you using?
Sunscreen and a hat, that's all I need.
What's the main dish for your picnic?
Sandwiches and fried chicken. Everyone loves that.
What kind of drinks are good for hot days?
Cold water, iced tea, and lemonade, refreshing stuff.
What do you need for sitting?
Blankets, chairs, or a mat, something soft.
What do you usually forget to pack?
Extra napkins or cups, every single time.
What's your plan for music?
Just a chill playlist, nothing too loud.
What are you doing after the picnic?
We'll probably head home and relax. Nothing much.
What are you bringing for the little kids?
Toys and coloring books. Keep them busy.
What do you need for trash?
Just a few garbage bags, that's enough.
What makes a picnic fun?
Good company, good food, and sunshine. Simple things.
What's your plan if it gets too hot?
We'll sit in the shade and drink water. Stay cool.
What do you do to keep bugs away?
We'll bring bug spray and citronella. That should work.
Who's in charge of music?
My cousin's bringing the speaker. He's the DJ.
What time are you meeting everyone?
We're meeting at 10:30 all together.
Where do you want to park the car?
As close to the picnic spot as possible, easy unloading.
What kind of napkins are you bringing?
Paper ones, nothing fancy.
What are you using to pack the food?
Tupperware and foil wrap. Keeps it fresh.
What's the plan for kids' drinks?
Juice boxes and small water bottles, easy to handle.
What's the easiest food to bring?
Sandwiches and chips, no mess.
What dessert are you excited about?
Brownies, freshly baked.
What's something you love about picnics?
Eating outside with friends, it's relaxing.
What time are you setting everything up?
By 11, hopefully, before it gets too hot.
What do you use to carry drinks?
A small cooler with ice packs, it works well.
What kind of plates are you using?
Disposable ones, easy cleanup.
What makes a picnic stressful sometimes?
Forgetting something important, like the cups.
What are you doing to stay organized?
We made a checklist. It helps a lot.
What kind of cups are you bringing?
Plastic cups, no glass.
Who's bringing the camera?
My sister loves taking pictures. She's got it.
What will you do if it gets windy?
We'll weigh things down with bags. Stay prepared.
What do you need for food prep?
Just a knife and a cutting board. That's it.
What are you bringing for fun?
Some board games and a ball. Light entertainment.
Where do you want to sit during the picnic?
Under a tree if there's one, for the shade.
What are you bringing for breakfast?
Muffins and fruit, something light.
What kind of drinks do you prefer?
Iced tea and lemonade, refreshing and easy.
What makes a picnic location perfect?
Shade, grass, and space to move, not crowded.
What's your plan for leftovers?
Everyone takes a bit home. Share it.
What's your favorite picnic drink?
Lemonade with mint, so good.
What kind of shoes are good for picnics?
Sneakers or sandals,